Welcome back to Proper Academy. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to change font on TikTok or get a custom name. It's really easy to do. So you're just going to want to head over to your browser, whether it's Safari or Chrome or anything like that. And you're going to want to type in lingojam.com. So it's just lingojam.com. And you're going to want to scroll down and go to Fancy Text Generator. Click on that. And then you just want to type in whatever you want your name to be. So if you want to put your first name or whatever your nickname is, you want to throw that in there. So I'll throw mine in there. And then if you look down here and scroll down in here, you'll see a bunch of different fonts and designs that you could choose from. So I'll just grab one here for example. So let's get one with some emojis in it. Perfect. So all you want to do is hold and just copy. So let's drag like that, copy, and then you want to head back over to TikTok. Go to your name, and you're going to delete your original name. Then you just want to hold on your screen and paste, and you have your name. It's literally that easy. So I hope this helped you guys. If you guys need any help, as always, leave a comment, and if you liked it, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.